There are so many videos out there showing you how to use makeup, face paint, and other things to create your Halloween looks, but why aren't they telling you how to protect your face from all these products? Hi y'all, welcome back to Rock Natural, and I'm coming to you today with a new video. In this video, I'm actually going to be showing you and telling you some tips and tricks on how to protect your face when you're applying face paint. So if you're interested in seeing how to protect your face from the face paint that you're using, keep watching. So this is based off of like Halloween, but some of these tips are also helpful for when you're wearing makeup on a day-to-day basis. So this is my e.l.f. lip. This is basically to exfoliate my lips. So this is key because if you're putting face paint, body paint over your lips, next you want to make sure you cleanse your face. So I used my charcoal molecular cleansing water. Now I'm just going to apply some toner. Let this sit in. Then I also have oily skin, so if you too have oily skin, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Control Primer Mist. So this is important because you don't want your makeup to be sliding throughout the night. You don't want to actually accidentally get it on someone. It also, you know, comes down to the type of face paint or body paint you're using. This one I actually got from Amazon, but there's so many out there. And so I'm going to be, this is also goes for regular makeup. So I'm going to spray some of this Oil Control Primer Mist. This is a water base. Fan it in. Let it sink into your skin. Next, I'm going to be using this Shine Killer from NYX. And I'm just going to take a little bit of this. This is more of like a gel-ish. And this is good because then I can apply this just to my T-zone areas where I get really oily. For example, here. And then my forehead. So my forehead gets so oily just throughout the day. And then it's really like my nose, under my eyes. And what this will do, will fill in your pores. Next, I'm going to be taking this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And this will make your, this is also a gel consistency. This will make your makeup look flawless or your Halloween makeup just stay longer. Have you seen my other Halloween video? I'm actually going to be posting another Halloween video. And so it's perfect. In my other Halloween video, I actually just used makeup. But for my next one, I'm going to be using this body paint, but I'm going to have a layer of foundation down first. Now that we have all those products on our skin, I'm actually going to be using this Urban Decay Rebound. And this is good priming spray. And it firms your skin to spray on right before you apply your foundation. I know this seems like a lot, but these are the steps you really have to take to just protect your face and let the makeup stay good. So now that I've set my face, like I said, the makeup look or the Halloween look that I'm going to be doing is not full face paint. There's just some face paint. And so if this is the case and you're not going to be applying any foundation, you would go ahead at this time and apply your face paint over your whole entire face now that it's protected. For me, I'm going to be putting down a layer of foundation, and this is because I will be doing a look that is not full faced. So before I put down my foundation, I'm actually going to take my concealer. I'm going to be using this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Medium Tan. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this right underneath my eye. Here. And the reason I'm applying this first is because I want like a highlight look, but at the same time I don't want it to be super highlighty. And I'm just going to do this underneath my eye. This concealer, man, it just blends in so well. Now I'm just going to take a thin layer of my foundation. I don't want my face to be, you don't want your face to be full, like thick of product, especially if you're going to be applying the face paint over it. You just want to get a good layer of the foundation. And for me, I'm really doing this to create another layer that's going to protect my skin and then also cover up some of my dark spots. I'm just taking the excess product and bringing it up underneath my eye. Now I'm taking it on my forehead. I'm just going to go ahead and use the rest of this on the rest of my face. So like I said, I did not have a whole lot of foundation on there. I just had enough to where cover up my dark spots and also give me a thin layer, so just so I have a good base. Okay, now I'm just going to take, you want to make sure that you have a matte. You see how it's kind of dewy right now? You want to make sure that you have a matte base. And this I find helps to make makeup last longer. Take a fluffy brush and then just go all over my face. You can do this with any powder. And I'm gonna keep just applying this until I have a good base. And so although I did, as you can see, I'm like more matte now, yes. I just feel like I have naturally dewy skin, and if I really wanted this to be more matte, I would let it bake under there a little bit. So I'm not going to use any cream contour. I'm actually just going to take powder. So powder is key. Like I said, I'm not putting face paint all over my face. I'm actually doing this as a base to the look I'm going to be doing. Now that I've done my contour, I'm just going to brush off the excess powder underneath my eye. Bam! The perfect base. Quick, easy, a lot of steps just to protect your face, but you got the look that you wanted. Well, you got the base that you need to create your look. So I hope this video was super helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to stay tuned for the video I'm going to be posting using this base. And I will see you in my next upload. Toodles!